Welcome back to all of you. I am Deepak and today I am going to discuss with you next two questions in the practice set 3.2. In the last lecture we have to discuss with you near about 3 questions, and today we are going to discuss with you remaining 3 questions. So let's see, start remaining third, fourth and fifth question of practice set 3.2. Okay, fourth question is given: if the circles with centers P, if circles with center P and with the center of Q, and these two circles is contact at point R, touch each other at point R. This is the given in the question. Now next is, a line passing through R meets the circle at A and B. One line is passing through the R and that line is meet at the circle A and B. There is a 2 point which is meets this line at A and B, which is given in the figure. Through that, segment AP is parallel to segment BQ. Segment AP is parallel to segment BQ. This is the first question. And in the second question, triangle APR is similar to the triangle RQB. This is the second question. And in the third, find RQB if VAR is equal to 35 degree. RQB. This is the third question. We have to find here angle Q, and we have to given in the question is A is equal to 35 degree. This is the given in the question. Now we are interested to find out, first of all, segment AP is parallel to segment PQ. This is the serial to find first, second and third. Now we are dealing with first, and then we are dealing with third, and then second and third, respectively third. It's not a big deal to find out. Once very important thing to know about basic knowledge about triangles. We know basic knowledge about isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. If you know about each and everything, we can easily find out all these three respectively. So first of all, tell me about segment AP is parallel to BQ. Segment AP is parallel to BQ. How to find? If here any one angle, if we are finding angle A is congruent to the angle B, then we can easily say that AP is parallel to BQ. But if we have to know about angle A or angle B or angle P and angle Q, in both condition, if we have to succeed to find out angle A or angle Q, angle B, P, in between any two angles, if you know about, if we have know, then we can easily say that parallel line properties by using AP is parallel to BQ. So first of all, we are interested to find out angle A, angle Q, angle P, angle B. If we have to find out angle A is congruent to the angle B, then then a solution is done. Or angle P is congruent to the angle Q. If we have to done it, then also solution is done. So first of all, how to prove angle, how to know about angle A and angle B? Listen here. Solution, or we can say that proof first. First in the question is given segment AP is parallel to segment BQ. This is the question. If you see in the figure, PA and PR is the radius of the circle P, and here RQ and QB is the radius of the second circle. So we can say that AP is equal to AR. That means we can say that a radius of same circle, AP is equal to PR. That's why we can say that triangle PAR is an isosceles triangle. Why we have to say that it is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle, because of isosceles triangle, that means if two sides are same, then we have to say that that triangle is called isosceles triangle. And that's why over here we can say that this is the isosceles triangles. And we know that if two sides are equal, then we can say that it is an isosceles triangle. And in the isosceles triangles, base sides, if two sides are same, then definitely angle A is equal to angle R is our answer. Why? Because of isosceles triangles, we know that if lots of times we have to study it in triangle, we know that this is and this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 60 degree. We can say this is the equilateral triangle. Now if you have to see, lots of times we have to see this kind of triangle, if we have to naming here A, B and C. If this is 90 degree and this is equal sides, then we have to definitely say that this is the 45 degree. If this is 90 degree, then on and only if this is 90 degree, then this is the 45 degree. If this is not 90 degree, this is something, then also this is the different. But keep in your mind, if this is x, then definitely this will be x. Is that clear? So this is the little but difference things. So angle PAR is an isosceles triangle. So in this triangle we can say that angle PAR is equal to angle PRQ. तो ये इसको we have to naming here first, इसको हम naming देंगे first. Now same situations, we have to write here in the center of circle Q, RQ is equal to QB. RQ is equal to QB. Why? Because this is the also radius of same circle. We have to write here radius of same circle. Now this one is same, now this will be same. If two sides are same, then adjacent angles are also same, then that's why we have to write here in triangle RQB, or we can say that QRB, whatever you want, you have to write here RQB, or we are interesting to angle R and angle B. So don't interact with Q, because if we have to dealing with A and B, then leave these two angles, don't take it in this solution, because if we have to dealing with these two, then this is the leave. But we are starting with A and B, that's why we are not dealing with P and Q. So we have to write here triangle QRB is an isosceles triangle. And if this is an isosceles triangle, then we can say that angle R is equal to angle B. We can write here, this is the second. You have to write here in the full form angle QRB. We have to write here in the same manner. Angle QRB is equal to angle QBR. This is the second. Why we have to write here? Because of radius is the same, then that's why angle R is equal to angle B, corresponding sides of the same sides, corresponding angle of the same sides. We have to write here in the as like this one. Now next step, we have to write here angle QRB is equal to angle QBR. Now this will be equal to this will, and this will be equal to this will. Now angle ARP is equal to QRB, angle QRB. Why? Because opposite angle, or we can say that alternate angle. We can say that it is opposite angle or we can say it is a vertically opposite angle. Okay, no, this is the third equation. Now from 1, 2 and 3rd, from 1, 2 and 3rd, we have to write here angle PAR is equal to angle PRB is equal to, if this angle is equal to this angle, then we can say that this angle will be equal to this angle, because we have to already done it na here. Angle PAR is equal to PRQ. That's why we can write here angle A is equal to angle R is equal to angle B. We can write easily. So just we have to next step write in the same manner. So angle QRB is equal to angle QBR is equal to angle QBR. Angle A is equal to angle R is equal to angle R is equal to angle B. We have to write here from equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore angle PAR is equal to angle RBQ. Alternate angle. How to write here alternate? This is the, so this one and this one. If theta 1 and this is theta 2, then definitely theta 1 is equal to theta 2. We have to study it in the science lots of times. Number of times we have to see this is the in reflection of light we have to already study it. So in mathematics we have to already study it, but I give reference as in this from science also, because we have to study it in the science. So and it is also one of the property na, so it's not a big deal to remember this one. Angle A is equal to angle B, or we can say that therefore PAR is congruent to the angle RBQ, and naming it, this is the 4th. We have to naming here 4th and this is our 5th. Okay, we have to use it. This all content from the this all content in the question number 2. Now PAR is congruent to the RBQ. That's why we can say that segment AP is parallel to segment BQ. From the properties of parallel lines, ये हमने कहाँ से लिखा? From the properties of parallel lines. तो इससे हमने कर दिया ये, तो इसको कॉपी कर लीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम इसमें ये जो है सेकंड वाला, ये इसको पहले लिख लीजिए अच्छे से, उसके बाद मैं सेकंड कर लूँगा. सेकंड अगर ये आपके पास सामने सॉल्यूशन नहीं है तो सेकंड आप कर नहीं सकते, तो पहले से इसको लिख लो, क्योंकि इसका हर एक हमें इसका यूज़ करना है. इसका भी यूज़ करेंगे हम, इसका भी यूज़ करेंगे, इसका भी यूज़ करेंगे, इसका पूरा यू हैव टू यूज़ इन दी second question. So you have to write down this properly. Now over here second question is given, triangle APR is similar to the triangle RBQ. If in the figure we have to know about two angles is similar, or we can say that congruent, then we can easily say that triangle APR is similar to the triangle RQB by the angle similarity tests. We can write here. Now just we have to prove angle A is equal to angle B or congruent to the angle A B, and angle R is congruent to the angle R. From equation 3 we can write here angle R is equal to angle R, and from equation 5 angle A is congruent to the angle B. If you write in the notebook, see your notebook, in the notebook equation 3 and equation 4 we have to say that equation 3rd is say that angle R is equal to angle R, and equation 5th say that angle A is equal to angle B. So we have to write here angle PAR is equal to angle, we have to write here angle ARP is equal to angle QRB फ्रॉम थर्ड। कहाँ से लिखा हमने? फ्रॉम थर्ड लिखा, फ्रॉम थर्ड से लिखा। नो, एंगल PAR is congruent to the angle PAR is congruent to the angle RBQ. We have to write here from फिफ्थ। कहाँ से राइट किया हमने? फिफ्थ से राइट किया। ओके, फ्रॉम थर्ड एंड फिफ्थ। एंगल सिमिलैरिटी टेस्ट we can say that triangle APR is similar to the triangle RQB, हमें इसको बोल सकते हैं। तो देखो ये हो गया इसका। अब इससे थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। थर्ड में क्या बोला है? फाइंड एंगल RQB if एंगल PAR is equal to 35 degree. PAR is equal to 35 degree. Angle PAR is equal to 35 degree, and we have to find angle Q. If you see in the question, all angles are. If you see in the question, angle A is equal to angle R is equal to angle B from फोर्थ ना, फ्रॉम फोर्थ हमने ये लिख दिया। I have to write down from the fourth equation. I have to write here in a short because PAR angle PAR is equal to angle PRA is equal to angle QRB is equal to we have to write in the same manner na. So angle A is equal to, if angle A is equal to 35 degree, then therefore angle R is equal to angle B is equal to also 35 degree na. Angle R is equal to angle B is equal to also 35 degree. That means we know that triangle measurement is 180 degree. So we can say that triangle Q plus triangle R plus triangle angle B is equal to 180 degree. We are dealing with Q na, so write down as it is. Angle R is equal to 35 plus 35 is equal to 180. Angle Q is equal to Q plus 70 is equal to 180. Now angle Q is equal to 180 minus 70, and angle Q is equal to 110 degree. We can say that in the full form, angle RQB is equal to 110 degree. This is our answer. Write down this. If you have any queries regarding this question, you have to comment or do comment in the comment box. I will definitely reply your questions. I will definitely respond to your questions. If you have any queries about mathematics, about me, about my conversation, about my communication, about my explanation, you have to always told me by the comment box, by the sir, by the any media we have to provided by the academy, by the institute. So you have to always contact to me, because in the lockdown there is no another media to direct communicate to in front of you and me. Head to head communication gap is too much nowadays. That's why I am telling you, do comment, like, and like is very important for our build up motivation, because communication gap is more as compared to normal days. Now if you have liked the sessions, like the videos, then our motivation level is very high, and definitely we are interested to do whatever you want. Is that clear? So like each and every videos after watching. थैंक यू। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर लास्ट इन दिस एक्सरसाइज वी कैन से दैट प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2 लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन योर practice at 3.2 last question is I think fifth question we have to see, note down this before that. Question number 5 diagram is over here, over there. Now only this diagram is given in your question. Now how to make diagram, which diagram is talk with us, because without talking of diagram we can't find out answers. Always try to talk diagram with us. If diagram is not talking with you, then draw something constructions in this diagram, and if you draw construction then definitely diagram talk with you. Now if you see in the diagram, we have in the question asking about find the length of segment CD. Question is asking about length CD, and we can't find out with the help of construction. Without help of constructions we can't do. We do not anything without construction. So first of all, do like diagram is speaking with something, diagram is talking with something. In this kind of do construction in this diagram. So first of all, find the circles, center A and B touch each other at point E. यहाँ पर देखो ये जो सेंटर है यहाँ पे E पॉइंट है. In the given in the questions at E, line L is a common tangent. Line L is a common tangent. We have to write in this all things in the given. I do not write here. So you have to write here all these things which touches the circle at C and D. Which touches at the circle C and D. Respectively, find the length of segment. To find length of segment CD, that means this one distance, length of CD. If the radius of the circle are 4 centimeter, if the radius of the circle 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter is given. So this is very important topic, and this is the only one clue to find out CD. There is no another clue to find out CD. Lots of teachers are directly draw diagram which is given in your reference book or another books, and directly solve by this using proper diagrams which is directly copy paste from the reference book. And at the time of examination, student don't understood how to draw, how to construct. Without construction you can't do. So at least when I am explain you, your concentration is always on your screen. If you lose your concentration at a single second, then you have to lose lots of informations. So keep in your mind. So first of all, C and D we are interested to find out, or asking in the question to find C and D. Over there A and B is given over here, and radius of the circle is given 4 centimeter. So we have to join this. See how to, what can I do here? Join this, and also join this too. We know that this is the 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeters to point E. This is 6 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter, which is we have to know about. So in this, इसमें हम एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे कि AP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BD, ये हम कर देंगे. तो हाउ टू डू, इसको हम ऐसा कर देंगे कि AP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BD. अब देखो ये जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिख रहा था हमें, ये क्वाड्रिलेटर नाउ वी कैन से दैट ये कहाँ से हमें रेक्टेंगल दिखने लगा है. अभी यहाँ पे तो क्वाड्रिलेटर दिख रहे थे, कोई भी साइड सेम नहीं लग रही थी जिससे हमें कि CD मिले. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा क्वाड्रिलेटर लग रहा है. अगर हमें यहाँ पे अगर हमें यहाँ पे P नहीं बिंदु, अगर हमें यहाँ पे AP पता चलता है तो हम AP इज पैरेलल टू CD दिखा के क्वेश्चन को फिनिश कर देंगे। तो क्या हमें AP पता चलेगा? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल पता चलेगा, क्योंकि AP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू BD हमने लिखा है। तो यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल APB जो है 90 डिग्री है, APB जो 90 डिग्री है, तो हमें अगर PB पता चलता है तो हम यहाँ पे राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल निकाल के AP फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। अगर वी हैव टू डन, then we have to say that AP is parallel to CD because this is the opposite sides of rectangle, and with the help of rectangle properties we can easily write here AP is equal to CD, and where answer is done. We have to do by the using rectangle properties. If I that's why I already told you, if you know about triangle, if you know about rectangle, if you know about square, and if you know about all these shapes of properties, then you have to done easily. And if you don't know about this, always listen here. I repeat each and everything at every single time. So that's why I told you, always focus on your screen, don't lose your concentrations, because this is the big communication gap. If you lose your single second, you have to lose lots of informations, and that's why you always concentrate towards the screen. Is that clear? So AB, what can I do in this example now? In trapezium, in quadrilateral AB, in quadrilateral APDC, or we can say that AB, we can say that APDC, in quadrilateral APDC, in quadrilateral APDC, angle APD is equal to angle CDP is equal to angle ACD is equal to 90 degree, because of from we have to write here tangent theorem. हमने ये टेंजेंट थ्योरम में देखा भी है, आप लिखना है तो लिख लो, क्योंकि ये रेडियस है टेंजेंट पे परपेंडिकुलर, तो सी हियर 90 डिग्री एंड ऑल्सो हियर डी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. वी हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर इन द सेम मैनर. इज दैट क्लियर? और AP is perpendicular to BD है, that's why we can write here, we have to already write here APD is equal to CDP is equal to ACD is equal to 90 degree. There is no any kind of there is no any kind of, and therefore this will also, if this one is 90 degree, then this will, we can write here, this will be CAB is equal to 90 degree. So we have to write here quadrilateral APDC is a rectangle. We can say that now, because each angle is 90 degree, that's why we can say that this is the right angle, this is the rectangle. If you have any queries about, you can comment in comment box. So we can say that AP is equal to CD. Now we have to do here AP is equal to CD, and AC is equal to DP. AC is equal to DP. So AC is equal to DP is given in the question 4 centimeter, and AP is equal to CD we don't have, but we can write here by the properties of rectangle. If you have any queries, you can ask me by the comment box. Okay, now BD here, BD is equal to this will be this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter PB, and from this to this we have 6 centimeter. Now BD is equal to, why we are going for BD? Because if we have no PB, I starting told you already, if we have no PB, if we have PB, then we can, using here Pythagoras theorem, we have to find here AP, and if you got AP, then we have to compare with AP is equal to CD by using rectangular properties. So that's why we have to find out here PB. But how to find out PB? BD is equal to DP plus PB. BD is given in the question 6 centimeter because BD is the radius of the circle. That's why we are here right here 6. Now DP is equal to 4 centimeter now because AC is equal to DP. We have to just here write down here quadrilateral ABDC is a rectangle. That's why we have to write here 4 centimeter. Don't write PB. So PB is equal to 6 minus 4 and PB is equal to 2 centimeter. No, PB we got here 2. Listen. Now triangle APB, triangle A, in triangle APB angle P is equal to 90 degree because of AP is perpendicular to BD. Okay, now from Pythagoras theorem we have to write here AB square is equal to AP square plus PB square. Now AB square, what is the AB square? I want to write here AB is equal to A plus EB. A is the radius of the first circle and EB is the radius of second circle. So 4 plus 6, AB is equal to 10 centimeter. This we got 10 centimeter. Now A 10 square is equal to AP square plus PB is equal to 2 square. So 100 is equal to AP square plus 4. Now AP square is equal to 100 minus 4. Now AP square is equal to 96. AP is equal to n under root 16 into 6. So AP is equal to 4 in root 6. Am I right now? Okay, now we know that AP is equal to CD is equal to 4 in root 6 by rectangle properties. और यही हमारा आंसर होगा. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए कि AP इज इक्वल टू CD. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, कॉपी कर लीजिए इसको अच्छे से. ओके, हियर प्रैक्टिस सेट 3.2 is cover all topics we have to cover in this practice set. If you have any queries about these examples, about last examples, about another examples, you have to comment in the comment box. Last day I think one circular is passed over our Maharashtra, and that circular was reducing your syllabus. Your syllabus is almost near about in algebra 2 most important chapter is remove, or we can say that cancel, and in the geometry 7th chapter mensurations is also remove, or we can say that cancel. So don't panic about this because it is very important chapters for your future life. Those students want to go for government examination, prepare government job or government job preparations. This is very important chapters for the government job. But don't panic about that because each and every topic we have to study it in the future and on the your level. So what can I do now? This is the big opportunity to score 100 out of 100. What I am talking about you, 100 out of 100. So how to score 100 out of 100? From first lecture to last lecture, join with us and keep in touch with our academy, keep in touch with your respective teachers. Always two-way communication is better way to achieve success, because if you have no any doubts, any queries, then you can, that means you have nothing doing anything in your daily life. As compared to I already told you about our daily timetable. You have to follow it, because with the help of timetable you have to reduce your lots of pressures of the final examinations. So before that I want to say, do each and everything for at every day, because of your pressure will be reduced at the examination time. So do best and don't miss each and every lectures. अगर आपने कोई लेक्चर मिस कर दिया ना, तो आप एक बढ़िया से बढ़िया जो आपके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है 100 आउट ऑफ 100 स्कोर करने का, वो गलती हो जाएगी। अब बच्चे ये सोचते हैं कि सिलेबस कम हो गया मतलब हमारे ऊपर का जो प्रेशर है ना वो कम हो गया आपके ऊपर का। देखो ऐसा नहीं है, इस चीज़ को याद रखो, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि आपके ऊपर का प्रेशर कम हो रहा है, बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं है। नाउ दिस टाइम टू अचीव समथिंग डिफरेंट, ये टाइम है कुछ डिफरेंट अचीव करने का। तो प्रेशर रिड्यूस हुआ है ऐसा कभी नहीं बोलना, आपको अलग कुछ करने का ये वक्त है, इसको आपको अचीव करना है। जितना भी सिलेबस दिया है 3 से 4 5 6 बार जितना हो सके उतने टाइम से उसको सॉल्व करो। देखो एग्ज़ाम तो होनी है, एग्ज़ाम नहीं होगी ऐसा नहीं है, एग्ज़ाम होगी, लेकिन एक इतिहास एक हिस्ट्री बनाने का टाइम है अभी। कि अब अगर आपके क्लास में 100th बच्चा है, मान के चलो कि 100 बच्चा है, तो 100 आउट ऑफ 100 हर एक बच्चा हासिल कर सकता है, और अपने माँ बाप का एक अलग लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस, आप अपने माँ बाप का भी स्तर ऊंचा कर सकते हो, और आप खुद एक अलग दुनिया में जा सकते हो। इस चीज़ को याद रखें, मार्क्स लेना ये लाइफ का एक अलग अचीवमेंट होता है। वो कभी भूलता नहीं, ज़िंदगी में आप बूढ़े भी हो जाओगे ना तब तक नहीं भूलोगे कि हाँ मैंने एक अच्छा स्कोर किया था, उस टाइम में एक हालत ख़राब थी लेकिन मैंने एक अच्छा स्कोर किया था। ये एक मोटिवेशन आपको रहेगा। इसलिए आपको हर किसी को क्या करना है, डेली स्टडी करना है, और डेली आपको मिस नहीं करना कोई भी लेक्चर, डेली लेक्चर लेना है और लेके आपको आगे बढ़ना है। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर।